So what exactly is a capsule wardrobe? Well, a capsule wardrobe is a collection of clothing items that are versatile, functional, and timeless, with the idea that all these pieces can be easily mixed and matched together to make a variety of different outfits. So not only does this approach to clothing create a more sustainable wardrobe, but it also just makes it easier to get dressed in the morning because everything is made to work well together. If you haven't been to my channel before, welcome. I'm Kaylee. I am a professional stylist turned home sewist, and now I teach incredibly cool people how to build a wardrobe that is handmade, creative, sustainable, and empowered. And today, I'm going to be doing that by sharing the essential sewing patterns you need to create your own spring capsule wardrobe. So our first category is outerwear and second layers. And my first choice for this one is the Heather Blazer by Friday Pattern Company. Obviously something you could dress up really easily for work and then wear with jeans and a t-shirt when you're hanging out with your friends on the weekend. My next choice is the Bud Shacket by Seamwork. Who doesn't love a shacket? Make it a shirt, make it a jacket, make it a shirt jacket. I think this is one that if you put it in a lighter neutral color, you can make it work multi-seasonally and it would just be a hero of your wardrobe throughout the year. Next we have dresses and jumpsuits. I don't know why I just made that a category. It should just be dress and jumpsuit. There's only one of each. The first one is the Zadie jumpsuit by Paper Theory. This one is a cult classic for a reason. I have one of these. I can't believe I only have one. Every single time I go to put it on, I'm like, why do I only have one of these? I need to make another one. And my dress option for this is the Aura dress and skirt by Paper Cut Patterns. And what I appreciate about the silhouette of this pattern is that it's still a very like timeless look, but with a modern twist to it with those bigger sleeves and that kind of interesting tie at the waist. I like it. I think it's refreshing for spring. It'll be fun. Next we have your basic everyday tees. We have first the Rowan bodysuit and tee from Megan Nielsen Patterns. What I love about this pattern as well is that you get so many different options with the sleeve length, with the neckline. You know we love to see a multifunctional pattern. And next we have the Jackson tee and pullover from Helen's Closet. I would like to note that this one also has a hoodie expansion pack, so you can make it work for even colder weather or active wear even. And I like that this one has a unisex fit and feel to it. Next we have jeans and pants, or jean and pant. My first choice for this category is the Persephone pants by Anna Allen. And what I really love is that you could go totally neutral with this, or because it's a fun silhouette that's still easy to wear, you could go with a brighter color fabric or a bolder print, something just a little bit out of the box to make things stand out. And for my jean selection, I picked the Sunshine jeans by I Am Patterns. And it comes with two different leg options, so either a tapered leg or more of a slouchy kind of boyfriend pair of jeans. I've been terrified to sew jeans for the longest time. My goal for 2023 was to make something that scares me, and I really think this is going to be the pattern for me. So if you've actually sewn these, let me know what you think, how you liked them, because I would love to hear about it. Just popping in real quick to let you know that if you are getting value out of this video so far, let me know by leaving a comment, liking this video, or subscribing to my channel. I want to make videos that you guys love to watch, and doing those little things not only helps support me, but it also gives me a better ideas of what kind of videos you guys like to see. All right, with all that said, let's get back to it. Next is sweater and cardigan. So for my sweater selection, I have the Burt Knit top by Style Arc, and I think this would be fun if you did it in a really thick and cozy fabric for more of a snuggly cloud top. That's great for layering when you're going out on your winter walks, just like lounging around your house, having snacks. And then my cardigan option is the Marlowe sweater by True Bias. I like that you can sew it in a kind of cropped version, wear it more like a top with your higher waisted jeans, or wear it as your standard cardigan. Next, I have Loungewear Sets on here, and my first option for this category is the Saguaro set by Friday Pattern Co. Especially with the top, how it's reversible. I think that is super fun, and I'm not sure if I'm saying this next one correctly, but the Pipit set by Common Stitch Studio. I like that you can sew these in a fabric to make them more like pajamas, because that's a thing now. People are wearing like nice pajama sets out and about, and it's a moment, and hey, I'm all here for it. Our next category is skirts, and for this I have the Hannah Wrap skirt by Rosary Apparel. You can add the little ruffle to it. I think those details just make it so much easier to either do dressier or more casual. Wear it to work, wear it for play, do what you want with it. And if you're feeling a little bit sassy, I have the Slit skirt by Daria Pattern Making. I think this is the dreamiest skirt. It kind of has those like cottagecore vibes to it. And especially when the weather finally does break and the birds are outside singing, how fun will this be to throw on and twirl around like you're in a Disney movie? And for my last category, I have button down and blouse. And my first choice is the Birdie button-up blouse and dress by Pattern Scout. Again, wear it as a blouse, wear it as a dress. I think it's so fantastic when pattern makers do these kind of multifunctional things so you get a lot more bang for your buck. I think this in a nice crisp white lightweight linen will be one of those hero pieces in your wardrobe as well. And for my blouse option, I have the shirred blouse from Happy Makes Me. This top was actually modeled after one that I saw on the Reformation website. I think it's just romantic and beautiful, but it's easy to wear, and it's one of those that you don't even need a sewing pattern for. It's made out of just 4 rectangles of fabric. So to find the full step-by-step tutorial on how to draft that blouse and sew it yourself, you're gonna check out this video next. I'll catch you over there. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me while I shared all these capsule wardrobe ideas. If you have sewed a spring capsule wardrobe yourself or are planning to, what sewing patterns did you use? What is on your sewing table? Let us know. I would love to learn from you in the comments below. And until next time, happy making. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.